Hello, I'm Jerry Ford, the beer review guy. I've got a drink here. It is a malt beverage, not a beer. I need to start saying whether or not it is a beer or if it's just a malt beverage, because I forget sometimes and I call it a beer. But yeah, this is a malt beverage, a premium malt beverage with natural flavors and artificial colors. This is the Joose Hurricane Cocktail, 12% ABV, New Orleans style. I thought it looked kind of interesting. The way they have it looking, it looks like it's, a nice, sweet, little juicy drink. I don't know. Contains alcohol, 23.5 fluid ounce, 1 pint, 7.5 fluid ounce. Let's see, I don't think it says any more on here. United Brands Company, Incorporated, La Crosse, Wisconsin, and under special agreement, Memphis, Tennessee. Flavored malt liquor. Now it says flavored malt liquor. Interesting. Enjoy responsibly. So this is a malt liquor that is flavored. Alright, we're going to see the glass on there. See that? I just happen to have one just like it, so I thought that was kind of interesting. It shows it looks like a slice of orange and a cherry or something, like on the edge there. I don't have any of that kind of stuff to put on there. But alright, let's see. Let's see what this thing's like. Well, couldn't get it all in there. Okay, well, there's no head. It's, it's one of those type of drinks. Like a, it's probably in the category of like a, can't see me. It's probably in the category of like a Four Loko type thing. It looks like it's medium carbonated. It is a little cloudy in there. I'm getting the it smells like a, I can't, there's a couple other people have done this. I can't remember who it was that did it, but they said it kind of has that kind of a Kool-Aid type aroma with alcohol in it. I think it's more of a, like maybe a strawberry than it is a cherry. But it smells sweet. I can smell the alcohol in it a little bit. I can smell a little bit of the maltiness. I'm getting the alcohol taste pretty well on there. It is sweet. It does have that little bit of a malty taste to it. Carbonation is light on the mouthfeel. It's not like, it doesn't have a carbonation burn. Yeah, just sweet, high alcohol. Cocktail. I don't know, maybe it would be better with like a wedge of fruit of some kind in there, like an orange, maybe a couple maraschino cherries or something. Maybe if you salt the rim like you're doing like a margarita, maybe better like that. Maybe with some ice. But just drinking it like this, now it wouldn't be something that I would probably buy again. I thought it looked interesting. It had the glass that I have on there. It looked good. I'd check it out. Yeah, I mean, unless you plan on doing a cocktail with stuff like I mentioned, I wouldn't recommend buying it. But that's just trying things, you know. Two new subscribers, Northside King and David Jinks. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Alright, well, I'm going to end it there, and I will see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.